Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. I started a poll whether you guys wanted to see how to do milk facial at home or a review on the plum green tea range. Most of you voted for the milk facial, so I'm here with it. So there are three basic steps in a facial. First is cleansing. To prepare the cleanser, take a bowl. Add milk to it. Take a cotton, dip the cotton into it and wipe it across your face to remove any dirt. The first step is to clean your face and prepare it for the further steps. Raw milk is rich in vitamin B, calcium and antioxidants. It has so many skin benefits. It will nourish the skin from deep within and keep the skin moisturized all day. It will gently exfoliate and gradually cure your acne. It cleans the skin from dirt. It deeply cleans the pores of excessive oil, sebum, dirt and even blackheads. Massage it for 2 to 3 minutes. The second step is a scrub. To prepare the scrub, you will need rice powder. Grind raw white rice in a mixer. Don't grind it too soft, let it be coarse. Add 2 tablespoons of rice powder. Add 4 tablespoons of milk and mix well. Apply it onto your face and massage in small circular motion. Concentrate on your nose and cheeks where they are prone to blackheads and whiteheads. Rice powder is an anti-inflammatory agent. It soothes sunburns and prevents the skin from suntan. It exfoliates the skin, removing blackheads and whiteheads. It makes the skin clear and flawless. Do this for 3 minutes. After that, wash your face. The next step is face pack. You will need besan and honey for this. Take a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of besan, 2 teaspoons of honey, add 4 tablespoons of milk and mix well. This face pack should be thick in consistency. This will be tightening and a brightening face pack. Apply this onto your face. Besan treats acne. The zinc in gram flour can fight infections that can cause acne. It removes tan and makes the skin bright. It exfoliates dead skin by removing blackheads and whiteheads. It makes the skin clear. It also removes fine facial hair. Honey is naturally antibacterial, so it is great for acne treatment and prevention. It is full of antioxidants. It is great for slow downing your aging process. It is extremely moisturizing and soothing, so it creates a natural glow to your skin. Let it sit for 20 minutes. After that, wash your face with plain water. Apply a layer of your favorite serum. I am applying my DIY serum. Click the above link to know how to prepare this DIY serum at home. So that's it. With this, I finished the milk facial video. Thank you so much for watching.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.